Yeah, it's good.
The red is good.
What you call this?
Beef tartare.
Beef tartare?
Tabasco? Buon fatto.
Provato vino?
They're making beef tartare. First time I heard about this menu.
What's the one in the Philippines? They cook vinegar based.
Kilawin.
You had the Thai one? Huh? The Thai version? Tiger. The Thai beef salad, but raw beef.
Can you move 3 last class? Beef tartare. Ulitin ko ulit. Beef tartare menu. I never heard this before. This is the first time. There you go.
Buon appetito!
Bon appetit, guys. Bon appetit.
Is ready?
Yeah, getting through the Oh, there. Perfect.
So, and the bread. Bread.
Thank you.
This was RJ's.
This is RG's idea.
Small piece out of that.
Yeah, you're the one who started.
Yeah, you gotta start it.
All right. Fresh beef.
I didn't even get to the egg.
And they put some seasoning.
Salt, pepper, a little bit of mustard, olive oil, vinegar.
You have to eat it with the bread. Ipalaman sa tinapay.
A green.
But I'm not gonna try. I let them do it. I let them eat it. I never heard this kind of menu before. I'm so innocent. Alright, are just trying. Yeah? Johnny's turn. Alright, John. Bon appetit. Well, yeah? What do you think? Yeah? Alright, Trina, your turn.
Very good mustard.
Well, Trina. Yeah? Okay. Dad?
Very good mustard.
Oh, the Tabasco is.
Well, babe. Yeah.
You'd like it.
I don't even need that much mustard.
You'd like it.
Yeah. It's good mustard.
Oh my god. I don't know. Even though you guys gonna give me $100, I'm not gonna try.
Just a little bit. We'll video you.
What if I let you go shopping tomorrow?
You gonna buy me those first? The trainer.
Have a little bit of the bread.
She has to be on video.
Oh my god.
Yeah. No, do video. Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Switch me.
For the vlog. Yeah.
Put some on your bread. It's better with that bread.
Just listen.
I don't need it with bread.
Okay. All right. So this is exchange it to Louis Vuitton or Prada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What am I gonna do? I thought I'd already lost that.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
It's very good. Not bad.
It's like meatloaf.
Okay.
She's probably like, it's just like this.